Hello, everyone. My topic is derivation. Mm, Derivation is the action of the word forming a fish. It's called derivation. The addition of derivation a piece of raw process and new word with on or mark the following change. Phonological change, an orthographic change, and semantic change in change the word class. And tip and derivation in English, derivation affix are their prefix or suffix. They may be native and an example and productive and suffix is the teach and word in which the and example the suffix in the table and about unto carved, admirable or honorable. And only three prefixes and which are longer produced in English. Semantical chain and the part of the piece of the ropes. A, B, and B and in. For example, abrasive, referent, and ensured. And other sample and semantic level of prefix in English is in the table and 4.5. In derivations of in English, an example in the table 4.6. And finally, the false morphology in division, the word may be restored in the more or less improved and suffix with one school called splinter as in the following. It and following the table. Square, hamburger, alcoholic, marathon, panorama, cavalcade, helicopter. And the reference, my word and the former PowerPoint is the reference. This is hold in my friends. See you later.